So let's take a look inside the car. That's effectively the piece that we're going to be removing. So taking your pry tool, place it in the gap and slowly start to remove the front of the mirror cap. Once that's done, tug on it and it should come off. Just like so. Now work your way up the remaining plastics. So there's 2 more pieces here. You can see we've taken the middle one off and now we're left on the last remaining piece, which is the big plastic piece. So once we remove all of this, we'll have access to the wiring. And what you'll see in a second is there's a couple of plugs that we have to remove. So the first plug that I've frozen here is just for us to get access, so remove that. And then once that's removed, we'll actually have to remove the power cable going to the rain sensor itself. So that's what's shown in the second clip here. It's a smaller cable at the top of the screen. So once that's out, you're effectively ready to start plugging in your harness and plugging in the dash cam. So look at the harness cable itself. There's 3 different connectors there. The one that we're going to focus on first is the skinny one. So you'll see it's just like the one that we removed a few moments ago, but this time we're plugging the harness into the original connection that we removed in the last step. So we're going to plug it into the rain sensor side. That then leaves you with 2 more connections. What you need to do is connect the original Audi wiring into the harness, so that's what we've shown on screen there, and then you're left with the final connector, which is going to be what the dash cam gets powered and connected into, just like shown here on screen now. So if all goes well, you'll see the power light is now on the dash cam, and you can verify this by connecting through the app, and you should be able to see the live view footage. All that's left now in the installation is just carry on putting the pieces of plastics back on and tidy up the cabling. Once that's done, you should be left with the final product. And that's it. As you can see, it looks exactly like it did stock or OEM. No ugly cables on show, and a really good low-key way to have a dash cam in your car.